Alright guys, this is Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics. We just got our new sandblaster and we wanted to test out the adhesion of One Hit Wonder. We'll be doing some aqualac with it next week that we really like. And anyway, I've got 80 grit aluminum oxide in this. You can see it's new stuff. Very fine. And we've got speed shapes. I started with this one here. But it's One Hit Wonder, just 2 coats. Okay, real light coats. This is why I put them in here, because I redo my speed shapes after I do some testing. That is considered, actually we're doing rhino liners. No, anyway, that's a reaction right there. Anyway, we're going to do these real quick, or do them and show you what this machine will do. So it's going to get loud. It's the only way to do this. And you'll be able to see through the glass, hopefully. We'll be able to have a little video here that's kind of awkward for me because the camera's kind of in the way. But let's see what we can do here. There's the foot pedal. All right, let's see if we can see that. Now this got a white base on it, so as soon as we get through, we'll be able to see the base. Well, it sure in the heck ain't blowing off of there. You guys that have sandblasters can also tell me if this sandblaster is working properly. When I throttle it, it seems like it blasts a bunch of sand on it, but if I keep it down, the pedal, kind of goes on and off, on and off. Maybe that's just the way they work. I mean, it's working, it's just taking its time. I guess if it went any faster, it'd put a hole in it. So it's probably at the right speed, I'm guessing. Anyway, you can see that stuff is down. Now, let me find a piece of junk one here. I can grab it. This is what happens when you don't have adhesion promotion on it, or a paint that sticks like One Hit Wonder. See that? It'll just blow it right off of there. I hope you guys can see that. That's what happens when you've got improper adhesion promotion. That job will come back to you. Anyway, another thumbs up for Jason and Carrie over there at One Hit Wonder. I haven't, except for Super Chrome, I haven't found anything that I don't like their paint on. A little faster than sanding, but it still takes a little bit of time. I probably hit this with 400 afterwards, maybe wet just to smooth it down, and then go ahead and put a base coat over that. Got all kinds of noisy things going on. Actually, a good test for checking your projects out before they go out. If you're trying a new product out, as far as adhesion promotion, as far as other paints, I use plastic. Hold on, let me grab something here. Flip this up. Okay, this here helmet, the girls gave me back from the showroom, and they said it had a couple little holes in it, and I couldn't understand why. I sandblasted this thing. It took almost an hour to clean that thing up. Okay, you can still see little pieces of the pink right here. Okay, that's with 80 aluminum oxide. This had plastic on it. Plastic from DuPont. That's that brown stuff you see right there. That stuff would not let anything go. Okay, it was just holding that paint. I don't know how we got it. It must have been tossed across the parking lot or something to get a couple little holes in it. But anyway, I wanted to check it and make sure my process was good, and it is. So anyway, plastic and One Hit Wonder are the 2 products that I just really enjoy using that will give you confidence when your job leaves the project or leaves the shop. Okay, nothing worse than having a customer come back with something that's not right. So Take your time, do it right, guys, and get some good results like I'm getting here. This is Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics. We're out.